Welcome again, friends. This set appeared in CAT exams. So this question is regarding the high-low game, in which four player plays this game, and it is played in 6 rounds. So in every round, each player chooses to bid high or low, and the bids are made simultaneously. All players has to bid together. So if all four bid are high, then all four lose 1 point. If three players bid high and one bid low, then the player bidding high gain 1 point and player bidding low loses 3 points. Similarly for two players high and for one player high and all four bid high. So we can see that the cases are that suppose there are four players A, B, C and D, and their all bids are high. So that means four bids are high, then all will be losing, all will be getting -1 marks. If three bids high, then three will be getting 1. The one who will bid low will get -3. Similarly for 2, and if 1, so one pair will get 3, 3 will get -1. Finally for the bidder, if all have if none has bid high, all has bid low, then all will be getting 1 point each. Okay. So here we can see that in case of B3, B2, B1, where three players have bid high, two players have bid high, and one player have bid high, the sum total of the round would be 0, right? Only in the case where all four have bid high, score will be negative -4, and score will be positive 4 when bid are all four bids are low. Okay, so coming so further, we are given four players are here: Arun, Bankim, Charu, and Deepak, who are playing this high-low game. So some facts are given. So we'll go with the facts and we'll start solving them. So the players are A, B, C, D: Arun, Bankim, Charu, and Deepak. So we'll write them down and we'll see what they have scored. So they'll be playing 6 rounds, right? This is a 6 round game: R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, and R6. Okay, first statement says at the end of 3 rounds, Arun had scored 6 points, Deepak had scored 2 points, Bankim and Charu had scored -2 points each. That is 8 minus 4. The total for 3 rounds is 4, right? 8 minus 4. 4 is the total. That means in at least in one round, all have scored, all have given answer is low, and they have scored 1 marks each. So let so one round would be 1 marks each. Now Arun had scored total of 6 points, so it cannot be 3 and 3. So it has to be 3 in one round and 2 in another round. So total will be 6. So in the round in which Arun had scored 3, rest would be scoring -1. Okay, and in which Arun had scored 2, one more person would be scoring 2 and 2 would be scoring -2 each. So we can see who is the least point. So Deepak is the second highest here. So Deepak would be scoring 2 here, right? Rest would be scoring -2 each. We can see total also. Arun's total is coming 6. Bankim's total is coming -2. That's correct. Charu's total is also coming -2. Deepak's total is coming +2. So we know what the score is. Now coming to the next statement, at the end of 6 rounds, Arun had scored 7 points. Bankim and Deepak had scored -1 point each, and Charu had scored -5 points. So here we can see total is after 6 rounds, total is 7. -1, -1, -5. So total after 6 rounds is 0. That means the 1 marks which was gained in this round has to be lost in one of the round. So in one of the round all players have to score -1. Okay, to counter this gain, right? Now we see Arun's total here in 4 rounds is 5 and he has to score 7 points, right? Similarly for Vikram, total is, we'll write it here. Arun's total after 4 rounds is 5. Bankim's total after is -3. Charu's total is again -3. And Deepak's score is 1. Right? Now they have to score, Arun has to reach the score of 7. Bankim and Deepak -1 and Charu -5. Okay, so we need gain of 2 points for Arun. We need loss of 2 points for Bankim and Charu each. And we need gain of 2 points for, sorry, loss of just 2 points for Deepak. Okay, so it is not gain for Deepak anywhere. It is also loss for Charu, also loss. For Bankim there is plus, and for Arun it is plus. Okay, so to do that, Arun and Bankim could score something like this. Okay, see the total for these two is 2, so that marks are being gained. Another option could be if they have scored 1 each, right? But in that case, if they have gained 1 each, so one of the player would have received -3 and 1, and one would be -1 and 3. Sorry, 1 and -3. So this would have been the another case. In this also we see -2 -2 is being got here, and -2 here, 2 gain and 2 gain. Similarly for this it will be -2 -2. So R5 R6 could be either this scenario or this scenario, right? There are two options to get that score. Now coming to next statement, Deepak's score in the third round was less than his score in the first round, but was more than his score in the second round. So we can easily tell what are the first, second and third round. So these are the first, second and third round, R1, R2, R3, in which Deepak's score in third round was less than his score in first round, but was more than his score in second round. That means this is the R1, which is more than his score in the first, less than, this is R3, this is R1, and this is R2, right? We are getting this. Deepak's score in third round, that is 1, was less than his score in first round, that is 2, but was more than his score in second round. So second round he scored -1. So we know which are R1, R2 and R3, right? This is R1, this is R2, this is R3. Okay, and last statement says in exactly 2 out of the 6 rounds, Arun was the only player who bid high. Okay. So if we see this scenario, this was a scenario 1 for 2 rounds. This was scenario 2. In scenario 2, we see Arun has scored 3 in only 1. But if we include scenario 1, here also Arun has scored 3. So that means scenario 2 was our wrong option. Scenario 1 is the correct option. So we have come to the conclusion for this problem. So we know R1, R2, R3, and for R5, R4 and R6, it could be either of these three. So we'll start solving the question with the help of this. Let's come to the questions. So our first question says, what were the bids by Arun, Bankim, Charu and Deepak respectively in the first round? So this was the first round in which Arun had given the bid of high and Deepak has high, rest are low. So it will be high, low, low, high. Right? The 4 is our answer. In how many rounds did Arun bid high? So Arun has bid high once in this round, in this round, in this round, in this round. Okay. So there were 4 rounds where Arun had bid high. The answer is 4. How many rounds did Bankim bid low? So Bankim has bid low. One is here, 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 here. So 4 rounds Bankim has bid low. Okay. How many rounds did all 4 players make identical bids? So there were 2 rounds, that is in this round and in this round, in which they have made identical bids. That is 2. How many rounds did Deepak gain exactly 1 point? So Deepak gained exactly 1 point once here. Okay. So that was only 1 round. In which of the following rounds was Arun definitely the only player to bid high? So we can directly eliminate 4th because we have information only about 1st, 2nd and 3rd round. In which of the following round Arun definitely the only player to bid high? He was here. So which is round 2. So our answer is 2nd. So that's all for this time. We'll see you again in the next question.